So what you need is piece of paper. How many pieces? 2. It can be 1, but I prefer to have 2 because it gives you more volume to your ornament. Alright, and especially today we need a few more things. Can you see it? Needle, scissors, and I'm not sure if you can see this, the thread that matches the paper color. And also I brought some pieces from my daughter's bracelet making kit. So, shall we begin? You have this paper with you. Fold it. And it's really better to have some pattern on your paper. Otherwise, this will look so plain. The ornament, ornament is for decoration. So if it's too plain, it's no good. So it's better to have really colorful and playful pattern on your paper. So I chose this. Isn't it pretty? Flower pattern. Well, actually, my mom bought this paper. She sent this paper from Korea. Isn't it wonderful? Alright, I'm gonna cut this with my scissors, okay? But I'm gonna use my knife. Be extra careful with your knife. Now gather all them together like this, and also the green papers, and this is all together. Nice. Put them nicely and gently. Now time to use this exciting tool. Well, if you have a thick thread, you can use just one line, but my thread is too thin. I couldn't find any thicker one, so I'm gonna double them like this. And one more important thing, you have to make a hole here for both ends. I will show you where. Here and here. Same here. Here and here. Alright. Here, that's the hole. Again, you need a help from those to do this, or use your punch if you have one. I used that one, but I lost it. so excited. Let me write. Do you remember this one? We're gonna make this. Make sure you're opening up our wings. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. It is already pretty, isn't it? But remember, we have 8 more wings to open up. 1, 2, 3, 4. I know it's so easy. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But it looks very complicated. But actually, you saw it. It's so simple to make. So this became your ornament. If you like other colors to be mixed, you can add more colors in it. It doesn't have to be 16 pieces or 8 pieces. It's up to your decision. These are hiding inside each other. So you have to find out the fishes. Alright, thank you.